Imagine turning on your television and stepping completely into the future. For a long time, the little black box sitting under your screen has been keeping a secret. Have you ever looked at your Apple TV and felt like it was just a simple menu? For your movies, you are not alone. For years, the Apple TV has felt like a forgotten product in Apple's massive lineup. It was always there. It worked very well. It streamed your favorite movies and television shows without any problems. But it did not feel exciting at all. It did not feel new. While iPhones and Mac computers kept evolving at a very fast pace, the Apple TV seemed totally frozen in time. Now, that reality may finally change forever. According to many recent leaks, the next Apple TV 4K is arriving. It is expected in 2026, and it is getting a very serious internal upgrade. This time, the focus is not just on small, boring improvements. The focus is on pure power. Real, undeniable power. Let us talk about the current situation. Current. Apple TV 4K runs on the A15 Bionic chip. When that box first launched, that chip was very impressive. It was incredibly fast. It was highly efficient. But the real problem is how it compares to Apple's very own modern devices. Apple has moved far ahead since the days of the A15 chip. The newer iPhones and modern iPads now run on much more advanced silicon. That gap makes the current Apple TV feel very far behind. Apple does not like to stay behind. This is where the new A17 Pro chip comes into the picture. Multiple reliable reports suggest a massive change. They say the 2026 Apple TV will be powered by the incredible A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same architecture that was first introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro models. It brought much better overall performance, it brought much better graphics. Most importantly, it brought a much stronger GPU designed for real console level. Gaming, the Apple TV version may slightly match the iPad mini variant. It will likely have 4 GPU cores instead of 5. But make no mistake, it is still incredibly powerful. The CPU configuration is expected to stay exactly the same, with 6 cores in total. This balances speed and power consumption perfectly. For your living room, Apple has already shown the world what the A17 Pro chip can actually do. Massive video games like Resident Evil Village have been publicly demonstrated running smoothly on this exact silicon. Massive titles from the Assassin's Creed franchise have also been tested. Apple clearly wants its home devices to handle serious 3D gaming. They want real, immersive, console-like experiences right in your living room. If the new Apple TV 4K actually gets the A17 Pro, it instantly becomes something much more than a simple streaming box. It transforms into a dedicated gaming device. There is also exciting talk about Apple using Metal FX upscaling technology. It boosts the game's performance while keeping the visual quality looking amazing. Heavy games can run much smoother without losing any visual sharpness. My honest opinion on this upcoming product is very positive. I believe this device will completely change how we view Apple in the living room. For years, they charged a premium price for a basic experience. But by adding the A17 Pro chip and Apple Intelligence, they are finally justifying that premium price tag. The potential for a real silent gaming console hidden under your television is brilliant. You will get amazing movies, smart home control, and console gaming all inside one tiny, elegant device. I think it will be an absolute must-buy for anyone deep inside the Apple ecosystem. It brings real value back to the Apple TV name. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.